Hello again. Just an update. Well, as you can see, I've managed to get the flange welded in. Basically what I've done is, obviously that's been ground off, but what I've done is I did as I was saying, I've cut a section, welded it in, and just worked my way along. I'll come back to that in a minute. And that, but yeah, obviously my welding is a bit rough, but yeah, I think it all went okay. Everything seems to flow. You know, there's no big steps or anything in. So once it's ground down, I think we'll be okay. This little panel at the back, that's the original. So that's going to be cut off from inside. Obviously it's still attached there, and I think it's still attached further down there, but yeah, so I have to cut that off so I can get in and then make this repair panel. So whilst I was welding this bit, I've noticed it's all, well, weary, and I couldn't work out what it was until I realised that when Morris originally built the Morris Minor, this bit here was lead loaded. I think it was just around that section there was lead loaded, because I think that was one panel and this was another. So hence what I've tried to weld through the lead loading. To be honest with you, I don't know what to do. I've got steel there and I've also got steel there, so I don't know, I'm at a loss really. I might just see if I can get some lead and see if I can do something with that, although I'm not quite happy about it, but I don't know. I'll take some advice, I'll speak to people of the club, but you can see where it's where the lead has got hot where I've been welding it. But anyway, it can't be helped, it's there, it's something I'm going to have to overcome at some point. But yeah, so the plan was to, obviously I've started grinding this down. I've left this little panel at the bottom simply because I'm having issues with this bolt and bringing my the wing in, and I think that's just at a slightly different angle. I don't know if you can, probably not, but it is just at a slightly different angle. It's been kicked out by that plate there, which I think is in turn kicking the wing out. But yeah, I'm going to have a play about with that. But the plan was to cut and weld it. So I've done it up and I've just started doing my grinding. It doesn't look the best, but what I wanted to do was make sure that this weld was as close and tight into the bodywork as possible, which it is, because the bodywork is actually, I haven't got a straight edge with me, but if you know what I mean, you can see the weld is lower than the actual bodywork. So that's fine. I'll put some filler over that and blend that in, and that should be good. So it's strong, you know, it's not it's definitely not going anywhere, that. So yeah, it's in. Yeah, I'm glad it's in. I just have to sort that little bit of lead loading out there and see what to do with that. But yeah, we're in. One side almost finished. Alright, thank you. Bye.